Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today I'm going to be installing a Delta pull-down tub spout diverter. Basically out of the package you're going to get your diverter like this, and then you're going to get an adapter. Now the big thing is, how do you get this adapter on? And we're going to go over that. So there's several ways to do that, and I'm going to go ahead and show you those right now. So let's get started. So there's a few ways to do this. You could just put this on. And then put some solder in there and go ahead and solder this down so that it doesn't move. In any case, the one thing you want to make sure of is pay attention to your length of pipe, right? So this doesn't matter so much, but you don't want, so if you're going to put this on the end like this, you don't want it to be, this piece to be more than 1 5/8 inches off the wall. And you can see there's a diagram of that basically on the back of the packaging if you're confused by that. So again, this is one option. You just put some solder in there and go. The other option is you get yourself a coupling like this. It's a 1/2 inch coupling on one end and a 1/2 inch MIP end on the other, right? And in that scenario, all you would do is you put this on your end right here, you put some solder in there, and you'd solder that down. Now again, in this scenario, you would want the end of this to be no more than 1 5/8 inches off the wall, right? So off your tub surround here. So that's another option. Another option you have out there is you can go get yourself a different adapter. They do make an adapter out there that has a set screw. And then in that case, all you would do, slide it on, and then you tighten down your set screw so that this doesn't move. Now the option I'm going with, I think the adapter is about $7, so it's not real expensive. The other option that I'm going to go with is I'm going to put a compression adapter on there. So in this case, again, same basic concept as this. It's just I'm using a compression adapter. So I went out and I got a 5/8 inch outside diameter compression adapter with a 1/2 inch MIP end. Right, and so this scenario, I'm again just going to put this on, and as you can see, the ring here is actually inside here already. So you just put that on like that, put this on, and then you're just going to tighten that down. Right, and again, in this scenario, I need to cut this pipe so that this end is no more than 1 5/8 inches off the wall. Now, when you get your compression fitting, it's going to come with this, and you really don't need it unless you're using PEX. As long as you're using copper pipe, it's not really necessary. It really just helps to give rigidity to whatever if you're using PEX or whatever you're using. So I'm not going to use this. So the first thing for me is I'm going to cut my pipe back. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you can see, that doesn't give you a lot of room to mess around with. So we're going to go ahead and put this guy on here. Put that there. Okay, so now that we got our compression fitting on there, we're just going to tighten it up. Alright, so now it's tight. And we're just going to take our adapter here. Put that on in like that. Now, if you want to, you could take some caulk or some plumber's putty, what you got, and stick it right in here. Stick it back in here and just fill this hole in, just to make sure you don't get water back in there. It's not a necessity with this thing, as this thing right here, this O-ring actually seals it, so the water's not going to come backwards and go back into your wall here. You can if you want to, though. Then we're just going to take our that's it. That's really all there is to it. Like I said, you can fill in some caulk in there just to make sure. If you need to tighten it up more, you can. Get it nice and tight. Right in there against the wall. And that's it. That's all there is to it. If you like videos like these and you want to see more like them, please like and subscribe below and get the newest updates and the most recent videos as they come out.